Hi students, next topic is volume percentage. So volume percentage means the volume of solute present in 100 ml of given solution is called volume percentage. So the volume of solute present in 100 ml of given solution is called volume percentage. Therefore, volume percentage equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. Therefore, volume percentage equal to V2 by V1 plus V2 into 100, where V2 equal to volume of solute. So V1 equal to volume of solvent. So V1 plus V2 equal to total volume of the solution. So this is volume percentage. So next one is mass by volume percentage. So mass by volume percentage means weight by volume. Mass means weight by volume. Weight by volume percentage. So here the mass of solute present in 100 ml of given solution is called mass by volume percentage. So mass by volume percentage. So therefore, mass by volume percentage equal to mass of solute by volume of solution into 100. Mass of solute by volume of solution into 100. So it is depends on temperature. So next one is parts per million. Parts per million means ppm. Parts per million. So here number of parts of the component, present in 1 million 10 power 6 1 million parts of the solution. 1 million parts of the solution is called parts per million. Therefore, parts per million ppm equal to number of parts of the component to the total number of parts of all components in the solution into 10 power 6. So this is parts per million. So parts per million means number of parts of the component present in 1 million parts. 1 million means 10 power 6 parts of the solution is called parts per million. Therefore, parts per million equal to number of parts of the component to the total number of parts of all components in the solution into 10 power. So next one is molarity. So what is molarity? So the number of moles of solute, the number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of the solution. 1 liter of the solution is called molarity. So see students, what is molarity? The number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of the solution is called molarity. So it is denoted by capital M. So therefore molarity equal to number of moles of solute, particles by volume of solution in liters. Number of moles of solute particles N by volume means V in liters. Therefore molarity M equal to N by V liters, where N equal to number of moles equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Therefore molarity equal to N means weight by gram molecular weight. So weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by V liters, or so molarity equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V milliliters. So this is molarity. So here what are the units of molarity? Units equal to number of moles means N, moles per volume means liters. So that means units means moles per liter or molar, moles per liter or molar. So it is depends on temperature. So this is molarity. So what is molarity? The number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of the solution is called molarity. So for dilution law, before dilution equal to after dilution. Before dilution M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. So that means V1 means volume of solution, initial volume. V2 means final volume. M1 means molarity. So M2 means final molarity. M1 means initial molarity. So this is dilution. And next one is molarity of chemical reaction. M1 V1 by N1 equal to M2 V2 by N2. So where M1 M2 are molarity of the solution, V1 V2 are volume of solution, N1 and N2 are number of moles. N1 and 2 are number of moles.